but my towns have often failed, and the way the day has sailed, it was gruesome to remain. What I mostly did was to complain, and with every failed attempt, only grew my self-contempt. No peace around, 12 time around, wallowing in mud. What was it worth? Well, the upside of constant failing is the thought, what's the use of wailing? When you've fallen deep below, underneath the roots that grow, there comes a point where you must choose. Will I win or will I lose? Will I hold on to what no longer serves me? Or will I heed the call that serves me? Free thoughts aloud, time to be proud. No cars around, freedom abound. Glossing over, I've been a pushover, but now I'm a drover, I'm a rover, an obstacle crossover. A challenge pushes you on. How you know you have won? Disidentified from your mind. Transcendent you will find. Transcendent you will find. Transcendent you will find. Back again, my familiar stand. Nothing more than a thought to relate to. Tied it up for better or worse. I'm going back to my ways, to the sanctuary. Nobody stays, but I'm by my situation, lacking concentration on what I mean when I say my intentions are what I believe in. Thoughts are just got them leading the way. It's not often I've arranged things, and it's not like me to be clear. There's a bitterness inside me waking up. Take it in my grip, but that just sank me deeper. Now I know what they meant when they said nothing takes you out of a hole, out of your story. Leave your ambitions all in the front yard.
Between a pink and a red sticker on that on your car. Must be different levels. Did we ever take this camera
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean.